This is Gary. Gary has been smoking pot since before the discussion of pot legalization. Gary is a chronic marijuana abuser, or stoner, as some people say, and smokes marijuana every day. Gary also has a wife named Sally. Sally is 5 months pregnant with his baby boy. Sally is afraid that if Gary continues his habit of smoking weed, it will affect the baby. Little known fact is that weed or marijuana can also cause a disease called psychosis, which is a mental disorder that makes you imagine demons, and it's like hallucination basically. THC and CBD are two main components of marijuana. THC is a bad drug that causes psychosis. CBD is a good drug that can help stop it. But THC levels have risen in marijuana because CBD hasn't given anyone that high, and levels have therefore lowered in marijuana. An analysis shows that from 1995 to 2011, 4%, the THC has risen from 4% to 12% in the last about 10 to 20 years. And Gary soon turns to hard drugs because Gary gets into hard drugs. Gary gets his wife Sally into drugs after starting the hard drugs. Sally soon becomes a hard drug addict and decides to leave Gary and her newborn son to go smoke pot. And there has been no facts yet proven that weed can affect the birth of a child, but we believe that it can cause birth defects to a child, because if we're not allowed to drink while having a child, then why should be allowed to smoke weed while pregnant? This is why we think weed is bad. So don't legalize weed.